Tenant states my dryer is making a pretty horrible sound. Yep, that is a pretty horrible sound. It's a very common issue, although a pretty lengthy repair. Anybody in their own house can do it. These are the Whirlpool Duets are very, very common dryers, and this is a very common issue. I'm just gonna speed through kind of the teardown of the machine, and then just completely skip over the reassembly. But just appreciate that I am doing this repair in about 3 minutes in front of you, but in reality it probably takes me closer to about 15 minutes. There's a lot of screws with this repair as well, so make sure you keep track of them. Most of them are pretty much the same, so you don't have to worry about putting the wrong ones in the wrong place. It doesn't really matter. You will notice that there are a couple different ones, and it'll be pretty obvious. All right, all that work just for this little rear pulley. I'm amazed they didn't create some type of access panel on the backside, but this pulley is just metal on metal, and after a while, the heat gets to it and it starts to lock up, and that screeching noise is it rubbing. This is what the new one looks like. All of this will be for nothing if you don't put some lithium grease on the new one to make sure that it lasts a good long while. But old one's pretty shot. Make sure the shaft is cleaned and then lube it up. Don't forget to put that washer on there, and then that triangle locking piece goes on last. To save you from the reassembly, I'll just do it real quick. And let's test it out. Much quieter. This one's ready to go. On to the next one.